If you're wondering which software is better for tax filing support between FreshBooks and QuickBooks, you've come to the right place. Both are popular options, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to helping you file your taxes with ease. By the end of this video, you'll know which one truly stands out, and if you're looking for an even better alternative, I've got something special to share with you. Let's jump right into FreshBooks. When it comes to tax filing, FreshBooks is known for its user-friendly design. The software helps freelancers and small businesses easily track income, expenses, and deductions, which is great for preparing your taxes. However, FreshBooks isn't as comprehensive as QuickBooks when it comes to tax filing. It doesn't have as many features tailored specifically for tax reporting, and while it offers basic tax reports, you might find it lacking in the more advanced features that some businesses need, especially if you have more complex tax situations. Next thing, QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks is the powerhouse when it comes to tax support. It offers a much more robust tax feature set, including detailed reports for income, expenses, deductions, and even sales tax. QuickBooks integrates seamlessly with TurboTax for easy tax filing, so you won't have to manually enter information. This integration is one of QuickBooks' standout features because it's designed to save you time and reduce human error when filing your taxes. However, QuickBooks can be a bit overwhelming for those new to accounting software. The interface can feel cluttered, and it might take a little longer to get up to speed with all the options. The fourth thing is FreshBooks' approach to tax filing support. While it's great for invoicing and tracking expenses, its tax features are more limited. You won't get the full breadth of tax tools and integrations that QuickBooks provides. For someone with straightforward tax needs, FreshBooks might be fine, but if you're someone who needs detailed reports or has a more complex business structure, you'll quickly run into limitations. Now, let's talk about pricing. FreshBooks is generally more affordable than QuickBooks, especially for smaller businesses or freelancers. QuickBooks offers a lot more features, but it comes at a higher price point. So, if you're on a tight budget and just need basic tax support, FreshBooks may seem more appealing. But remember, if you want a more thorough tax experience, the investment in QuickBooks could be worth it. But here's the thing, even though both FreshBooks and QuickBooks are solid options for tax filing, neither is perfect for everyone. After testing both platforms, I found that there's actually a better alternative out there for tax filing support. If you want a software that combines the ease of use of FreshBooks and the robust tax features of QuickBooks, I highly recommend you check out the software linked in the description below. It offers the best of both worlds, with a smooth interface and powerful tax filing tools that make the process faster and more accurate. So, while FreshBooks and QuickBooks both do a good job, if you're looking for something that goes beyond just the basics and gives you all the features you need for tax filing, be sure to take advantage of the free trial in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. That's it for today's comparison of FreshBooks versus QuickBooks, which has better tax filing support. Make sure to check out the link for the best free trial and start streamlining your tax filing today.